Hi guys, it's Cami from Stadium Goods.
And I'm Fresco VK, and we're located at 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Today it's Yeezy, once again with the 350 Earth.
And the Desert Sage.
So say less with all this talking, Cami, let's get straight to these shoes. In 2020, we've seen the release of 5 different Yeezy colorways from 350 to 700s, but today we're talking V2 with the Desert Sage.
And the Earth colorway, which is a regional release only in North America. It releases on February 22nd. So the Earth colorway is gonna feature a fully tonal all throughout the upper and the midsole, and then this one is heavily inspired by soil.
Looks like dirt.
So as we reach the outsole, here we're gonna see a yellow color pop, which I've never seen in a Yeezy 350 outsole, especially with this contrast. So with this Yeezy 350 specifically, we see a pull tab here, which most people seem to enjoy. I know I enjoy it. This is one of my favorite Yeezy 350s so far. I like that the shoe is super tonal. It can be easily styled with a bunch of looks, and I know that I'm gonna be styling this shoe very well.
But not only are we talking Earth, but we're gonna jump into the desert with this Desert Sage. So the Desert Sage is also mainly tonal throughout the entire upper, but it has the orange, kind of like safety orange color pop that is featured in the midsole area. And unlike the Earth colorway, this one does not have the pull tab at the back, but one of the cool features is, and what we've seen on a bunch of different Yeezy styles, they come in both reflective and non-reflective, but just the outer stripe on the Desert Sage colorway features the reflective material. So also, one of the last details of the shoe features the outsole. So it has the gum-like outsole on this Desert Sage, and also the Boost material, which runs throughout the entire midsole and the outsole. And in regards to these, as far as styling, I think these will look good with multiple looks. It's pretty much a tonal gray, like I mentioned, throughout the entire upper, and gray looks good with everything to me. Sweats, denim. I may not be as cool as Cami's fly, but I'm working on it. So you guys, make sure you help me and jump in the comments and let us know what you think.
Like Fresco said, please let us know what you guys think about these two Yeezys in the comments below. So the Earth is going to release on February 22nd, and the Desert Sage, we don't have a release date yet, but of course we have them first. To shop these styles or any other Yeezy, feel free to pull up to 47 Howard Street or stadiumgoods.com.
Make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android, and follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, but do not forget to follow, of course, Stadium Women.
And feel free to check me out on there. I'm Cami.
And I'm Fresco VK.
Thanks for watching.